Hey, what is up, guys? I'm Kyle at Fortune Off Road. On this episode of I Dig the Rig, we were down at Hollister Hills and ran into a really cool samurai build. Check this thing out. Oh.
Hey, I'm Josh from Pismo Beach, California. This is my 1987 Suzuki Samurai. So this is my 1987 Suzuki Samurai. It's got the stock 1.3 liter carbureted in it. Has the stock transmission, 6.5 to 1 transfer case, hooked up to Dana 44 axles out of a Jeep Wagoneer that are narrowed 8 inches. The wheelbase is stretched to 97 inches. I've got Toyota leaf springs front and rear with Maxxis sticky tires on there. Driver. Yep. The wheeling I enjoy most with her is going out rock crawling, finding a trail that nobody can really make it up, and proving people that samurais do rock. This vehicle likes going slow. She is not a race car. With the low gearing, she likes crawling up walls. Where was it? Crawling up walls and finding places anywhere to go slow at. Weak points on this vehicle would be because it's carbureted, steep inclines are no fun trying to flood a carburetor and get it restarted. Yeah, I'm trying to think, have we really broken anything? Ejecto Hudo, cuz!
You could say that one and that'll resonate with a lot of samurai people.
Right. Weak point on this, as of so far, would have been a bent tie rod and then the hood coming unlatched during towing. Yeah, as I roll my eyes. My favorite mod so far would have to be the tires. Having sticky tires gets you out of sticky situations. Easy modifications are my nice beer holders out of old soup cans that are painted to match. Next step for me would probably be linking the suspension front and rear to do a little more stretch to about 100-inch wheelbase. Wheelbase sits at 97 inches. Going out wheeling with other people is always fun. More people are surprised over what we can accomplish with a samurai than not. People are definitely underestimate the samurai.
Yeah.
I definitely won't be able to sell this vehicle. I've got a 4-year-old that loves it and she would kill me. If you decide to build a samurai, start with gear ratios. Figure that out. Wheelbase and track width help out tremendously. The little vehicle makes sure and gets in tighter spots, but it also can get you in sticky situations.